you want to unlike Facebook posts that you accidentally like? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. To do so, click on the profile photo. Then go to Setting and Privacy. Then click on Activity Log. After that, this window will open. Click on your Facebook activity at left corner. Then comment and reaction. Here you will find all your commented and reacted posts of all time. Then find the post you want to unlike. Tap these three dots and click remove reaction. And it's done. For more help, visit our guide. Link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.